Hello dear student, good afternoon to all. So let's start our next topic, that is manufacturing process of nitrogenous fertilizer. So last lecture we discussed on manufacturing process of urea and ammonium sulfate. So ammonium sulfate is discussed in two manufacturing process by gypsum method and coal and steel industries based. And second urea manufacturing process. So today I am going to start our next manufacturing process of sodium nitrate. Okay, sodium nitrate, ammonium chloride, calcium ammonium nitrate and ammonium sulfate nitrate. Okay, so next lecture we discuss on ammonium nitrate and cyanamide. Okay, so sodium nitrate process, manufacturing of sodium nitrate synthetically, it's not naturally. So in that process gaseous nitrogen obtained from coal gas is combined with hydrogen form of ammonia. Okay, means gaseous nitrogen is reacted with hydrogen form of ammonia, and that ammonia thus formed in oxidized to nitrogen oxide in the presence of suitable catalyst. Also that ammonia nitrogen oxides are then absorbed in a solution of sodium carbonate NaCO3. That result in that sodium nitrate then evaporated and solid material is crystallized. So see that picture, that is solid material is crystallized in the form that is sodium nitrate. That sodium nitrate contains nitrogen in nitrate form only. Also it is immediately available to growing plants. It's having all properties or general characteristics of nitrate fertilizer, since also it is quickly dissolved in water, also subject to loss by leaching, means evaporation loss is less but leaching loss is more. Also it used for top dressing, basal application. Also it used for crop growing in Rabi season, use sodium nitrate recommended safely. Also in this case vegetables like potato, it should be applied carefully to avoid the scorching effect on leaves. Scorching means it curling, or it is a brown like structure formed on leaves. Also in case of nursery bed, it is applied by making the solution of in water, just spraying with help of sodium nitrate. So this is the manufacturing process. Also in that manufacturing process use the hydrogen in the ammonium form, means it is the raw material used that is gaseous nitrogen and hydrogen form of ammonia. So that material used for making the sodium nitrate. It processes oxidation form. Okay, and second the sodium carbonate is formed. Okay, then see next ammonium chloride. So ammonium chloride is very easy to manufacture, NH4Cl. Okay, actually ammonium chloride is the byproduct of other parts. So see the reaction. NaCl means our edible salt reacted with carbon dioxide and ammonia and water. Okay, see, edible salt reacted with carbon dioxide, ammonia and water form NaHCO3, means sodium bicarbonate and ammonium chloride. Okay, that reaction form NH4Cl and NH4 NaHCO3, means sodium bicarbonate is the main product and ammonium chloride is the byproduct formed due to these reactions. So briefly in the manufacturing process as follows: sodium chloride is treated with ammonia and carbon dioxide to form sodium bicarbonate and ammonium chloride. That ammonium chloride is then separated from solution. Also that ammonium chloride is a crystalline ammonical fertilizer. See the pictures. Then also it containing 24 to 26% nitrogen. Also it is resistant to leaching and has to be nitrified to nitrate before it is taken up by the plant. Means after application it is resistant to leaching, it has nitrified to nitrate before it is absorbed. Also it more acidic. Also it, since application of 100 kg of ammonium chloride produce acidity. If you apply 100 kg ammonium chloride in the soil, it required 128 kg calcium carbonate to neutralize the soil. Means it reduce the soil pH. It increase the soil pH. Also on this application ammonium chloride has the soil loss calcium from its top portion. In that we lost the calcium from top portion. Okay, so these are the ammonium chloride and their manufacturing process. It very easy. Then see the calcium ammonium nitrate, also known as CAN. So it is manufactured by mixing 75% molten ammonium nitrate and 25% calcium carbonate. So in that molten ammonium nitrate means NH4NO3 and calcium carbonate CaCO3 in the mixing tank at the 170 degree Celsius around temperature, that is 550 to 700 million tons of ammonium nitrate produced per daily, reacting ammonium gas with 60% concentration aqueous solution of to neutralizing the reaction. So in that process, nitrogen and hydrogen are then compressed and passed over ammonia catalyst to obtain ammonia. Okay. Also, a part of ammonia is oxidized with oxygen enriched air and absorbed in the water to giving a nitric acid. Also, the rest of the ammonia is reacted with the nitric acid and fertilize the plant to give ammonium nitrate liquid. Basic material, that is nitrate and ammonia. Then liquor is concentrated and mixed with limestone so as form CAN granules. म्हणजे see calcium ammonium nitrate granules. Also, these granules are dried, cooled, coated with suitable coating material to give final finished fertilizer. And also the general properties, that is can neither leaves acidic nor basic residual effect, and hence it can be used for acidic as well as alkaline soil. It can be used for both soil, alkali soil as well as acid soil. Also, it is readily soluble in water and suitable for under the various variety and soils. Also, it is hygroscopic in nature. So, calcium ammonium nitrate, the main property that fertilizer used for the alkaline soil means saline soil as well as acid soil. And the main manufacturing property that nitrogen and hydrogen that form ammonia, and that ammonia again oxidized with other gases and form final ammonium liquid, nitrate liquid. And that liquid is semi-solid and that form again granules. This is the manufacturing process of CAN. Then see next ammonium sulfate nitrate, ASN. So this ammonium sulfate nitrate is manufactured mixing of solution or moist salt also of ammonium sulfate and ammonium nitrate and then drying the mixture. It's very easy and simple method. So in that double salt, it is made up from double salt. So double salt, which combination about 62.5% ammonium sulfate and about 37.5% ammonium nitrate, and it contains 26% nitrogen. Okay, so they see the of nitrogen 73% is ammonical form and remaining 27 is nitrate form. Also, it is readily soluble in water and it is highly resistant to leaching. It also contains 3/4 part of nitrogen in the ammoniacal part. So see the 73% ammonical form and 27% nitrate form. That's why it is not easily leachable. But ammonium sulfate nitrate manufacturing process, it used a combined form of ammonium sulfate and ammonium nitrate, that form ammonium sulfate nitrate. See the ammonium sulfate, that is NH4SO4, okay, and ammonium nitrate NH4NO3, that form ammonium sulfate nitrate, ammonium sulfate and nitrate. Then it is formed double salt. See, this is very easy manufacturing process, that is ammonium sulfate nitrate. It contains 73, means 1/4 portion that is only nitrate and 3/4 that is ammonical form. Okay. Also, this ammonium sulfate nitrate application 100 kg of, if you applied ammonium sulfate nitrate in 100 kg produce soil acidity, it required only 93 kg calcium carbonate to neutralize the soil. Also, ammonium sulfate nitrate manufacture mixing solution of moist salt and ammonium sulfate ammonium nitrate and then drying that mixture. Okay. And then see next manufacturing process ammonium nitrate only, NH4NO3. So this fertilizer is not manufactured in India normally. It is also imported on the limited scale. Also it is manufactured by passing ammonia and oxygen, NH4 and O2, gas with air oven at a platinum catalyst to form nitric acid, and this acid neutralized by an ammonia to form ammonium nitrate. So see the reaction, ammonia and oxygen with water form nitric acid, HNO3 nitric acid. That nitric acid and ammonia gas form ammonium nitrate. Okay, so ammonium nitrate contains 33 to 34% nitrogen. Also it is fairly resistant to leaching. Also it is highly hygroscopic and very highly explosive in nature. Also it required to be careful handling and storage. Also it is acidic in reaction. If you add ammonium sulfate 100 kg in soil, it required 60 kg calcium carbonate to reduce the soil acidity. Calcium carbonate is the common factor to reduce the soil acidity, CaCO3. Okay, so these are the some properties related to manufacturing process of some nitrogenous fertilizer, okay, and their reactions. Okay, next lecture we discuss on effects of nitrogen in soil, that are volatile, leaching, denitrification, microorganism, and their management of nitrogenous fertilizer. Okay, if any difficulty regarding this manufacturing process, you can message or call me. Thank you.